Hey guys, it's Rick with Rick Sells Tools on YouTube and eBay. This one just got listed, so I'm pretty familiar with what's sitting here. It's 20 pieces. All of the sizes of everything here is listed in the description of the eBay ad, so I'm not going to go in super duper great detail and everything, but I want to tell you it's 20 pieces. This row is 1/2 inch drive. This row is 1/4 inch drive, with the first 3 being double squares, the last 4 being 6-point. I'll go over everything with you, show it to you, but again, all the sizes are in the description of the eBay ad. So this is Westline. It's called Westline. It's not that very well known. I don't know much about it. It's hard to find on the internet. It goes from 1 inch to 7/16 with a, I believe it's 2.5 inches. 2.5 inch extension and a 13/16 spark plug socket. So I'm just going to show you. I'm going to actually stand up so I can get a little closer. Sorry if it doesn't zoom. I did soak all of these, by the way, in simple green. So I'm not going to spend a ton of time on it, but if you're interested in this set, it's at Rick Sells Tools on eBay. Again, all the sizes are on the eBay ad. They all look great. They cleaned up great. Two and a half inch extension, 13/16 spark plug socket. I'll show you the ratchet. There's a selector switch. I'll show you that it does work great. I always like to get it close to the microphone, so I'm going to put it to my chest real quick. Hit the reverse switch. It's probably a 20 tooth or a 30 tooth. I like it. There it is. Here's the 1/4 drive. The first 3, those are double squares. Probably not going to focus. Giving it a shot. And then these are 6-point 1/4 inch drive. Okay, so I'm going to get the camera, bring it in so you get a close up. So the first thing I want to do is give you a close up on the ratchet and show you Westline USA. I've never heard of the brand before. Any information you have on Westline, feel free to put it in the description. There's the ratchet. Here are the sockets. Try to show you the business end the best I can. There's the 1/4 inch. And hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Rick Sells Tools. This socket set right now is on eBay, Rick Sells Tools. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.